These hand controller covers and wireless charging cables together not only help protect your controllers, but also add a lot more convenience when you charge and play. A quick shout out to BeswinVR for sending me these. Let's get straight to it and take a look. The hand controller covers are available in 5 different colours and are made of thin, soft silicone. They are easy to put on your controllers and offer added protection against knocks and bumps, but also give you added grip with the textured area around the hand and are nice and soft to hold. The main selling point with these covers though is the silicone hand strap that goes across the back of your hand. The hand strap is fully adjustable and again is made of soft silicone, so it's comfortable on the hand and you have full and easy access to the triggers and all of the buttons. The straps give you so much more convenience when you play, especially if you're swapping the controllers with your friends, because you can simply and easily slip them off your hands and put them back on again without having to loosen and tighten up wrist straps. And when you're playing a game, you can let go of the controller and it stays in your hand. And this is good for some games when you're throwing a grenade or throwing a knife, as it adds to the immersion because you can actually let go of the controller without the fear of dropping it. And with games like The Climb and The Climb 2 where you're holding on for your life onto the edge of a cliff, it's nice to be able to open your hands to cool them off. And again, this is done without having to drop the controller or let it hang off of your wrist. If you want added safety for your controllers, they also do come with wrist straps, so you can use both if you prefer. I personally prefer to use them without the wrist straps, but if you've got younger players then it might be a good idea to use both. I was concerned that the silicone cover covering the ring around the top of the controller may affect the tracking, but I haven't had any issues with tracking at all. The hand controllers also come with a unique charge cable kit. The charge cable kit comes with especially adapted rechargeable batteries and magnetic charge cable connectors. The batteries are fitted as usual, but the battery itself has a modified charging connector on the side with a protruding magnet that, when used with the included battery covers, is seen at the side of the controller handle. And the charge cables are also modified with a magnetic connector that is on a ball mount for easy movement and rotation. So now, to charge the hand controller batteries, there's no need to change the batteries or even take the battery covers off. You simply move the cable and controller near each other and the connector snaps onto the controller. Of course, it isn't a massive hassle to charge your controller batteries anyway, and they do last for quite a while. When you've got silicone covers on your hand controllers, it does take a little bit longer to take your covers on and off so you can change the batteries, so it does take away that hassle. I've left my affiliate link to the charge kit and the controller covers in the description below. Let me know in the comments what you think. My name's Rich, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.